This is a video for the Good Enough Network Tool, or the GENT. It's built from an Arduino Mega, an Ethernet shield, standard LCD screen, and a keypad pulled directly from an old phone. And we turn it on via the switch, and it comes up with requesting IP, and then at that point we have the ability to do our testing. We could set the IP address, and you would need the IP, the subnet, the default gateway, and the DNS entry. We could also do diagnostics and do a generic test of a number of different items. You do host discovery, and what that would do is search your subnet as you had seen put in there. We have a port scanner, and we also have the ability to turn on and off the backlight. And I will just turn the backlight back on. The information that we have available to us is the IP address, the gateway, the DNS entries, subnet mask, MAC address, and whether or not the backlight is on. We also have the ability to scan for hosts, but we are going to just do a port scan for our test, and we're going to scan my server. At 10.0.0.20, and what it does is it goes out and scans very quickly. And it will scan a number of ports. It will actually scan up to 1023. It will not scan beyond that. I have had some issues scanning above that. Besides, officially there is nothing above 1023, even though there's a lot of stuff up there like 3389 and port 1723 and things. And the program does require the Mega, because of the number of pins required for the keypad, as well as Ethernet, as well as the LCD. And it will go through the scan. We are still at 400, almost. There it is. Oh, and the other reason why we need the Mega is because the program compiles currently at around 36K, which unfortunately is 4K more than what is available to us on the Arduino Uno. Let's see, we are at 600, getting there. This is a very good test for people that are looking to see what is open on the machines themselves. And it does take its time. The good news is it goes very quickly, especially considering that we would have to scan it manually ourselves. When you're done with both your host discovery as well as your ports, it will give you the option to go through those lists. We found 10 open ports, and you press the 2 and the 8 button to go up and down the list, and we can get a list of all the open ports that we have on there. You press 4 to go back. If you have any questions, please contact me on the Arduino forum, or contact me via the GitHub repository.